Hello beautiful people, welcome to my tiny Amsterdam kitchen. This is where the magic happens here in my house. Today I am making a quiche with cauliflower and blue cheese. It's a nice and edgy way of serving a quiche at a party. You can have it for lunch of course, or have it with a salad at dinner time. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. I have a medium-sized cauliflower here, 6 eggs, some organic blue cheese. Keep in mind that not all cheeses are vegetarian, so take a look at the ingredients before you buy it. Then I have some garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, red bell pepper, and some cottage cheese. I'm going to use this instead of the blue cheese on the side for the kids. And I have some capers. Then I'll use some yogurt, some salt and pepper, and I have a bit of nutmeg here, some Italian seasoning, and last but not least, some puff pastry. First I start with preheating my oven at 180 Celsius. There we go. And then I'm going to rinse this cauliflower and chop it up in small rosettes. Taking out the core. Next I'm going to prepare my crust, which is very easy because I already have ready-made puff pastry, and you can get good quality organic puff pastry now in many stores. And here I have my pie dish, which I have greased with some butter. You can use olive oil or a spray. Gently roll it out. Now this is a square-shaped pastry. Place this in the middle like this, very gently because this is soft, and then press it into the corners like that. And then I'm cutting off the trimming of the edges. And then you can use this bit to fill in the voids. This is an important step, don't overlook it. You have to prick a few little spots in the pastry. So my cauliflower is nice and al dente. I'm going to take out the steaming basket and let the steam dry for a bit. Now for the filling, grab a large mixing bowl and we're going to mix in 6 eggs. To that I'm adding about half a cup of yogurt. You can also add some cream cheese to make it even more creamy. Beautiful. A sprinkle of Italian seasoning, some crushed garlic. Very unlike me, but I'm using only 1 clove today. There we go. And this is our secret little ingredient, some fresh nutmeg. And a little goes a long way. So this is about enough. Mix it up. And then about a tablespoon of capers. Just throw them right in the mix. The cauliflower had some time to cool down, so now I can assemble the quiche. I like to arrange my cauliflower rosettes flat size down and just go in circles like that. My egg mixture is going on top of the cauliflower. Spread it nice and even. I'm going to divide this in 2 halves. One is for the kids and one is for the grown-ups. So the one with the blue cheese is going to have a few colorful strips of red bell pepper on it, and the side with the cottage cheese is going to have some half-dried tomatoes. Just press them in. On top of the grown-up side, I'm going to place small dollops of blue cheese. Well, not so small after all. And now a few dollops of cottage cheese on the other side. The quiche is ready to go in the oven now for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven, at 180 Celsius. You can check if it's ready when the egg is cooked all the way through. Check it with a toothpick and the crust is nice and golden brown on the edges. Let's give this a taste test. Okay. So? I think the blue cheese gives it that nice extra layer of depth because cauliflower can be quite bland. If you don't like blue cheese, just use any other cheese, no problem at all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
En actie!